I learned about the different ecosystems of 3D printing software and how they all work together to produce like reliable outcomes.
I feel like I can use my imagination for like everything. Like there's so much stuff I can print, so much stuff I can do.
I also learned how to make a keychain by my own design, which is actually what I'm printing right now. I actually kind of found it pretty easy as long as you're really paying attention and listening. And at first you might be a little confused, but it gets easier.
In the past, most of my 3D printing work has focused around the CAD designs. This is more on the applications and actually getting the stuff printed out. And it's like the real world application.
And it's like solving problems too, because like, for example, like the other day, my printer, it wouldn't work or anything. So then we diagnosed the problem that the filament, it wasn't adjusted to the one I was using. It's more problem solving, more hands-on.
I will be taking digital arts next year. This will also be a big help, at least knowing what I'm gonna be introduced to and probably a little more advanced than the other kids when it comes to this type of stuff.
I love this program and hopefully I can come back next year if I'm not that busy.
It's a very enjoyable experience and you get to create and learn new things throughout the whole week.
I would say overall it's a really good experience and you should give it a try.